So recently, I had a subscriber reach out to me and say, I must make a ton of money making YouTube videos because I have more than 3,000 subscribers. Let me be the first to tell you, my channel is monetized, but you have to at least make $100 before they will even pay you. And as you can see from this little graph right here, with I think a little over 42,000 views, and I think I've added 777 subscribers in the last 28 days, I've literally barely made $30. So YouTube doesn't even pay out until you make at least $100. Then they pay out. So my YouTube channel is not for me to make money. My YouTube channel is to share results with you, answer any questions or concerns you may have, and to promote my business, Everything Credit LLC. If y'all have any questions, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great day.